that came back big time. These are really good. Jesus. $108.9. That's pretty good. Now, my powerful ones earlier probably would have been over 110 for sure, but I'm so glad that the first one's near 110. That's really good. $114.2. It's awesome. I feel like I'm not even burping that powerful too, so that's really good. That was on the weak side. 101. $103.2. $112.7. Let's go. I feel like I'm not even burping at full power. That's the unbelievable thing here. I don't know what that was ranged at. Wasn't over 112.7 though. $110.7. Okay, that's fine with me. They probably cut family leave. That was pretty good.